Hello and welcome back. It's time when days are going to get shorter and the winter season is at our doorstep. It's time for one of the favorite seasons of the year for many of us. And October is a special month for me. It's my birthday month, it's festival time and it's Halloween time. Well, Halloween is celebrated on the 31st of October. Halloween can be thought of as a celebration of the night before All Saints' Day. So the traditional colors of Halloween are black and orange. Black represents death, while orange comes from the fall harvest. The history of this celebration says that long ago people were scared of evil spirits. They would dress up in costumes and make noises on the streets to keep the spirits away. Today, we made these fun Halloween lanterns. We made some ghosts and vampires out of paper. Children like art and craft, and this was one of the fun things to do for Halloween. Also, at the end of this activity, I posted a reel from my Instagram handle, wherein we made a haunted house with ice cream sticks. We practiced numbers on the 10-frame window. It was fun too. Don't forget to watch it and subscribe my channel. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the supplies. We took some A4 sheet, ruler and a marker, scissors and glue. Let's get going. Take a sheet and fold the sheet into half lengthwise. Draw lines as shown. We don't draw lines from the top and we leave some space between lines. Now cut along the lines. If you have younger kids, you might have to help them. But for older kids, they can practice cutting. Similarly, we took another sheet. We repeated the same method. We made lines and we asked Muskan to cut along the line. Cut out some shapes for facial features. We took red, white and black paper to make facial features. Now unfold the sheet and roll the paper into a cylinder. That's how the lantern will look. Take some glue and paste it at the ends. You can also use a sellotape if you want. Use glue to paste the eyes and mouth. Older kids can use glue and scissors. It's a great fine motor activity. These help children with their hand muscles. And while children are developing their fine motor skills, they also can talk about Halloween. So here's a black lantern, which look like a vampire. Kids always love to make fun decorative crafts. And Halloween is a great time to make it spooky. These easy to make jack-o'-lanterns are a great way to talk about the topic Halloween.